back to my channel, Bao Newton. Today videos, just want to unbox the all new Apple HomePod number 2, second generation. Let's go. It's really heavy. It's really good quality. Look, baby, it's really good one. Thì lát nó đi rồi, surprise. Má, nghe chất lắm, nghe còn ngon hơn là Bose luôn á, cho biết. Rất là heavy. Oh my god, nó nhỏ xíu mà nó có vỏ mày. Super heavy. This is pretty awesome. So now it's play on my iPhone. You want to play on your Apple HomePod? Right here, just click on that. It's so awesome. See? Awesome. I love it. And that's the Bose 700. And this is the HomePod. How simple is that? You don't have to turn it on or turn it off or connect Bluetooth, whatever. This is iPhone 15, so it's pretty awesome. See, while you're playing it, click on the AirPlay, left side and right side, doesn't matter. There.